See, I deeply appreciate the Zoom In Photography Club because, as you know, what is photography? Any situation, any thing that is happening is captured in one single frame, and that should depict everything, be able to depict everything. So, this particular Zoom In Photography Club not only captures good photographs, they also train people to capture good photographs. They have workshops and other things wherein they exhibit and also showcase as to what they have done, encouraging the good photographers. So ultimately, we are in a digital world. So, you know, everywhere there is always scope for improvement and betterment of whether it is photographs, whether it is pictures, whether it is depicting a scene. So all that is bound to happen with this type of active clubs. So I congratulate them for doing this good work, and I hope it will continue even on bigger scales in the future.
Is based here in Goa. Actually, we are settled in Vasco, a group of photographers, and every year we are existing since August 2014, and every year we have an exhibition, we conduct a contest, and then we showcase those pictures here in Kala Academy. So this is our fourth exhibition, and this exhibition is because of the contest. We had an All India contest, digital contest, and 3 clubs participated as partners, one from Goa, us, Zoom In photographers, one from Kolhapur, and one from Kolkata. So all the 3 clubs together, we had created a contest, conducted the contest, and all these participants, all India, from all over the India, there were about 250 participants, and winners were selected by 9 judges. And winners were given the medals: gold medal, silver medal, bronze medal, certificate of merit. And these are the pictures exhibited. The categories: monochrome, color, photo travel, nature, and we had a theme, street. Plus we had a showcase for best women category. So monochrome and color, they can do the digital manipulation, but in photo travel, nature, theme, or any other category, they are not allowed to do any digital manipulation. So these are actual pictures.